Hi, hi students. This is Dr. Badrinath. In this video, we will see the cancer. What is actually cancer? See, in the astrology sense, cancer means a scorpion in the sense of astrology. But what we are studying here is the cancer in the sense of the medicine, in the sense of the pharmacy, in the sense of a disease. That is our concept. Okay, right. Prevention is always better than a cure. Keep in your mind. Cancer means cancel. Cancel. The life will gone. In olden days, it was the thing scenario. Even not only olden days, nowadays also. Cancer means cancel. That's it. That's it. Because still now, there was no magic bullet. There was no magic stick. Which completely eradicates the cancer from the body. No, complete. It can cure, it can reduce the cancer, but no drug is available, no allopathy drug is available to eradicate from the basic roots from the body, the total. No. That's why if there is no action today, no cure tomorrow. Prevention is always better than the cure. That's why there was a new concept. Cancer prevention is called as a chemo prevention. Chemo prevention of cancer is a new concept which is coming, that taking of more leafy vegetables, more fruits. These three types they are taking regularly, so that prevention is better than cure always. Our subject is also prevention, preventive medicine or preventive pharmacy is our subject. Yeah, what are the points I have covered here? The cancer fighting is a big challenge, very big, very big challenge. Cancer introduction, types of cancer, cancer common symptoms, what are the causes of the cancer, cancer causative chemicals, cancer causative foods. Very important. That food you should not take. You should not supposed to be take. Cancer prevention, concept of chemo prevention here newly introduced. This concept is not available. So I, in any textbooks and all, I introduced it for you only. It is my one of my PhD thesis also. Chemo prevention, cancer treatment. Finally, right? Okay, right. See, this is our subject, social and preventive medicine, social and preventive pharmacy. Both names are same. It is useful or medical, paramedical, MBBS, nursing, lab technicians, okay, pharmacy for all. And this is today's topic is cancer here. The point which is highlighted. This is our topic, cancer today. Cancer introduction, crucial killer, massive killer, no excuse at all. Crucial killer in the human history. 13% of all human deaths are due to, and out of 100, 13 deaths are due to the cancer only. 12 million of annual new cases are coming. Now it is increased still. Okay, year by year it is increasing. 7.6 million annual deaths are there, cancer due to cancer. No part of the body is exempted from it. Very important point. Any part of our body may get. You may get liver cancer, you may get a kidney cancer, renal cancer, you may get. Okay, you may be get intestinal cancer, stomach cancer, lungs cancer. Each and every part, no part of the body is exempted from it. No part of the world is also exempted from it. All, any area in the world, definitely 100% there is a possibility cancer is there. That's it. Major global challenge by 2050, it becomes just like corona now, the same situation will be there. Cancer is a group of diseases. It doesn't comes alone. It comes with a group of diseases characterized by the unwanted growth. Number one, unwanted growth or unregulated cell growth. We cannot control that. We cannot regulate the growth. And unwanted, unnecessary growth is there. These points leads to the cancer. Okay, unwanted growth, unregulated cell growth, invasion and spread of the cells from the site of origin. So it spreads, cancer spreads from one place to another place in the body. Cancer term is used to describe the large group of diseases that are characterized by the cellular malfunction. Very important. Cellular cells cannot work properly. Okay, health cell level. See here I have given the differences of the health cell or healthy cell, cancer cell. What is the know about the what to do? See, health cell know what to do, what not to do. Like that, it is programmed. Programmed. Whereas here it is not programmed. Cancer cell is not programmed. It don't know what to do, when to do. Don't know. But here it does know when to do, what to do. That's it. Okay. Cancer cell grow and replicate out of control. That is the way when they have to replicate that, and all cancer cell do not know. That's why replication is going on, going on, going on. If you see under the microscope the cell division of the cancer, you cannot see a particular cell, because in the view, in your view itself, cancer cells are started dividing within a seconds. Two become four become eight become 16 become 32, like that. Okay, so there is a two types of cancer: benign tumor, malignant tumor. Very, 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 very important. Benign tumor is unwanted growth. This is unregulated growth. This is not dangerous. Benign tumors or benign cancer, benign tumor generally calling it as, it is a not spreadable. It is a unwanted growth. One or two areas on the skin or whatever it may be, in any organ, in the respective organ, it will be grown. That it will be removed by the surgical or anything. Non-spreadable also, even though you left, it is not much problem, not much dangerous. Okay, not spread even to the nearby organs also. Okay, and it is also called as adenoma. Number of times it was very, very important and appeared also in old question paper. What is adenoma? What is carcinoma? See here, this is a carcinoma. This is adenoma. This is also called as a fibroma. This is also called as a sarcoma. Some slight differences are there between carcinoma and sarcoma. These two comes under malignant only. Carcinoma, spreadable. Sarcoma, spreadable. Fibroma, non-spreadable. Adenoma, non-spreadable. Okay. These are the only the thing. This is very dangerous, spreadable. Okay, this is a, yeah, benign tumor, malignant tumor, squamous cells from cell of origin. See, if squamous cell, benign tumor, if comes from squamous cell, then you can call it as a papilloma or epithelioma, like that. And if it comes from the gland or ducts, adenoma, papilloma, cystidenoma, and urothelial epithelial, papilloma, renal epithelium, adenoma, like that, from the cell of the origin, and a type, either it is a spreadable or non-spreadable. Based on that, they have classified. See here, carcinoma, all carcinomas and sarcomas are spreadable. Malignant comes under. Adenoma, papilloma, fibroma, all these things not spreadable. It comes under benign tumor, not much dangerous. Need not to be worried, even though your doctor will report you that you have a cancer. Benign cancer means no problem at all, not at all careable. Okay. See, carcinoma and sarcoma both comes under malignant tumor. The differences are given here. Origin, age, more in old age. It is a more in young age. Vascularity, less vascular. This is more vascular. Rate of growth, both are spreadable. Growth of uncontrolled growth will be there, but however, speed of growth is less here. Here, speed of growth. Sarcoma is speed. Name itself indicate first letters. Sarcoma, high speed. Speed stands for yes. Okay, more hemorrhage will be there. Lung cancer, you will get a sputum is lungs. Okay, sputum along with the blood, it comes out. Okay, more hemorrhage will be there. Spread early by lymphatics and early by blood, like that. And prognosis, less worse, is more worst condition. Okay, all these are the differences between the carcinoma and sarcoma. Types of cancer, number of all parts of the body are prone to cancer. Vulnerable, all body parts are vulnerable, having a chance. See here, meningioma from the brain up to the ovaries, up to the legs, up to the skin, colon, rectum, pancreatic cancer, upper stomach, gallbladder cancer, liver cancer, breast cancer, thyroid. Breast cancer is the biggest problem in India. Not only in India, in the world, it is one of the top one or top two breast cancer. Okay, it is a multiple myeloma here in the blood cells, like that. All these points you have to write in the examination, each and every point, and these are the different colors indicated by the cancer symbols. This is not important for in the point of examination point of view, whereas the remaining all, yeah, common cancer symptoms. Each cancer symptoms is different. Lung cancer symptoms are different. Stomach cancer symptoms are different. The intestinal cancer symptoms are different. But here, common cancer symptoms, commonly, these are the common. That's very, very important. Very, very, very important. Total 8 are there. For example, see, unusual bleeding or discharge. Bleeding from the respective part, urine, from the urethra or from penis or from vagina or from the fecal matter. Unusual bleeding, usual, not usually come bleeding. So unusually bleeding will come, discharge will come. Okay. And number 2, Here, constipation or diarrhea, change in the bowel movement. The change is either it may be a not movable at all, or it may be a super fast moving, like a diarrhea, super fast moving, not at all movable, constipation. That's it. So change in the bowel movement, bladder habits. Next is sore. A sore that does not heal. Sores, skin sores or skin ulcers will form like this. See here. Okay, it doesn't go, doesn't not heal, it doesn't heal. Okay, and nagging or coughing is one of the biggest thing. Coughing and harshness, voice harshness will be there. And a decrease in the weight, unexplained. Even the food is taking properly, weight is reduced. How means? Due to the cancer only. Unexplained weight loss, no reasons for the weight loss, decrease in the weight. See how the weight is reduced. Obvious change in the mole or what? Moles are very, very important. Change in the mole size, mole may be enlarged, number of moles will come, moles will be multiply. Okay, color, change in the color, change in the shape, change in the thickness of the moles. Next is indigestion. Digestion will not be proper. So bowel movement, here bowel movement we saw, here the indigestion, abdominal pain will come. And thickening or lump, see here how the thickening, here also thick, here also thick. It leads to either unusual lump or thickening of the some tissue inside. It leads to either. Yeah, causes of cancer. Now cancer can hit without your permission, without it comes to your body, without your or without your involvement. Nothing was there. Using of a cell phones also leads to cancer. Tobacco smoking, alcohol addiction, betel quid chewing, misuse of antibiotics leads to cancer. Misuse of antibiotics, frequent use of steroids, occupational, synthetic preservatives in the tin food, can food, biggest dangerous. Lack of physical exercise, increase in mental tension, early menstruation, late menopause, obesity, ionized radiation, environmental pollution, lack of nutrients in the daily food. Environmental is not in our hand. So without your permission, carbon monoxide, if it is increased, you will get a lung cancer. These are the many problems are there. And these are the main causes of the cancer. All the points you have to write in the examination. First one is the radiation, like X-ray. If you are taking X-ray frequently, cancer will come. That's why radiation. See the symbol, radiation symbol. Aging. Automatically aging, free radicals are increasing, because free radicals are the byproducts of the, in our biochemistry, number of our biochemistry body cycles, free radicals are the byproduct, compulsory gift you must take. So all these free radicals leads to cancer. Okay, pollution. See here, pollution, carbon monoxide is a very dangerous, lead, very dangerous. Environmental, like a radon gas from the earth. See here, okay, radon gas. And the diseases like a COPD, you know, it is related to the lungs, so it leads to lung cancer. Smoking, second-hand smoking, first-hand smoking also comes. Okay, and asbestos, occupation, your job in the mines. Okay, like that. Genetics from the family history, it also leads to, all the points are very, very, very important. Cancer causing chemicals. See here, I have shown already what are the cancer causing things. Benzene. See, cancer causing chemicals in the e-cigarette vapor. Cigarette. See in this cigarette what happened. Very dangerous chemical. Cigarette is a mix of chemicals. Here only top 10 we will see. Benzene. Here you can see benzene, cadmium, isoprene, lead, nickel, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Formally come, if you smoke formally, formaldehyde comes. Acetaldehyde, okay, toluene, N, nicotine. Okay, very dangerous. See, tomato, if you are taking it, works as an anti-cancer agent, tomato. But tomato, if you are taking it in the form of ketchup, in the processed tomato, it leads to cancer. These foods, 16 foods you have to avoid. Canned tomatoes like this. Canned, in the can they have kept, aluminum can. Alcohol, refined sugar, soda, processed meat which is highly processed, very dangerous, cancer, compulsory. Microwave popcorn. See, popcorn we are eating. If you go to a movie, multiplex almo, we are using a popcorn and French fries. See here, microwave popcorn. Actually, I like this French fries very much. French fries is there. Potato chips I like. Popcorn also I will like. All these generally we are taking, but all these are the cancerous agents. You just Google it, you will get in the from the Wikipedia or whatever it may be. from the Google. See here, or you can go to this website, what I have mentioned. In the multiplex and all cancerous agent you are purchasing. I have to stop. I reduced a lot, but I have to complete it completely. I have red meat. See here, with the blood meat, pasta, hydrogenated oils. Okay, like that, modified oils, some like that. See, this is a concept of chemo prevention. How to prevent a cancer. Here, the cancer initiation is there. These are the normal cells. These normal cells, it leads to initiation of the cancer, like xenobiotic radiations, cancer initiation here. So what happened? This is called a cells which are initiated, cancer initiated cells. This cancer initiated cell will be promoted to the neoplastic cancer cell. So these are the normal cells converted into initiated cells, initiated cells are converted into neoplastic cells. Okay, here the cancer cells will, now chemo preventive agents will stop this here, it blocks here, and here also it blocks, it suppresses, it blocks here, it suppresses here. Even though person is having initiated, this chemo preventive agent suppress the here it completely blocks if you are taking, because no initiation is not there up to that. Okay, like this. So a strategy of the cancer control by the administration of the synthetic or natural compounds that to delay or suppress or reverse the process of carcinogenesis. This process is called as a carcinogenesis. Okay, so if you are stopping it, then you can call it as a chemo prevention. This is American Institute Cancer Research. You have to write in the examination as per their thing. These are the points what you have, how to prevention of the cancer. Okay, be a healthy weight, physical activity is compulsory. Okay, eat a diet rich in whole grains, vegetable, fruits, beans, limit the consumption of the fast foods like French fries. You limit it. You otherwise completely avoid it, like a burgers, pizzas, all these things. Okay, and processed meat. See here, this is not for me. American Institute of Cancer Research has told regarding this French fries, regarding this processed meat, regarding this cool drink. Not myself. Okay, and limit your alcohol. Don't use the supplements for cancer prevention. Unnecessary supplements. Okay, unwanted thing for mothers, breastfeed for your baby if it is possible, like that number of all these things. And these are the prevent the cancer, 7 steps are there to prevent the cancer. Okay, don't use the tobacco, skin from the sun, like UV rays, healthy diet you have to be take. Okay, this is a prevent cancer.org from that. Okay, so that is all about the prevention. And cancer fighting agent, all these are the chemo prevention comes in the topic of chemo prevention. Especially green tea is excellent for that. Walnut, green tea you have to be noted. Wherever green tea comes, you drink it. Walnut. Okay, these 15 supplements are there. These superfoods, these are called as a superfoods. It fights the cancer like this. It fights. Orange, flaxseed. You have to write in the exam compulsory. Olive oil, tomato. If you are taking directly, it is good. Okay, or millets, spinach, blueberry, garlic. These foods generally what we don't like. It fights the cancer. Papaya, even papaya also. Cancer, is there any answer from allopathy? So far, there was no magic bullet available. No formulation is available for chemo prevention of the cancer. Raw food as such, you have to be take. Okay, so raw food you have to be take. Cancer treatment is very costly and it is incomplete. Completeness is not possible. Okay. And the treatment of cancer, these points you have to write in the examination. In the radiation therapy, they will give some radiation to kill the cancer cells. Immunotherapy, they will give a monoclonal antibodies or some immune system development like that. In targeted therapy, particular organ, cancer organ, they will focus and they will treat it. Surgery is there here. Hormone therapy is there, just changing of the hormones, increasing or decreasing the hormones so that they can handle the things. Okay, just only headings I have given. You can show your talent under these headings. Okay, bone marrow transplantation. This is also one of the thing. And chemotherapy, this is the main thing. Chemotherapy by using, not chemo prevention, this is chemotherapy. This is after when the cancer came and already attacked, then these are the solution. What I have shown here, this is before cancer. Okay, right. So I will end my session here.